navigate to Antwerp.
I found several destinations. Which one shall I select?
1.
Perfect. Antwerp is our next destination. I've started the route guidance.